Okay guys, so I'm going to take you around a Bobcat S850. This is a M2 series loader. It has the newer forestry applications kit. You can see by this muffler, this package here. I don't know if it's the actual forestry kit. They have a guard that'll cover your lights. So this doesn't actually have the forestry kit, but it's able to be adapted easily. It would have had a cover here. It's a DEF fluid machine, the S850. So, open the tailgate. Oh, these are the vents to help cool the machine down. You got all your diesel particulate filter here. Battery is still here in sight. Oil fill. Alternator. Is this the alternator? I'm sorry, this is the starter. This is your alternator. This is your new fuel filter, diesel fill. You open this up, this cover, you can undo this, take out these side panels, you'll get to your radiator. Everything is all tucked away nice. Side of it. So this machine is a SJC, and it's also high flow auxiliary hydraulics. Even though you're high flow hydraulics now, you still use standard quick couplers. Years ago you used to have 3 on this side and 2 on this side, but they did away with that. Power bar attach. You got your front door here. Now on the M2 you could also get the side lighting kit. This machine doesn't have it, but it would go up there for your side lighting. So we'll hop inside. Okay, so these joysticks will slide forward and backward. See? And the joysticks move with the armrest. Radio ready. Has the radio inside. This is a auxiliary jack for your iPod. 12-volt cigarette lighter. Cup holder is here. Heat and AC controls are down there. This is your other armrest. This is your seat bar. Convenience light. Your gauge package is essentially the same as any typical machine. So over here is your auto idle. That's what's on now. Lights, auxiliaries, and this will take you through your options for this gauge panel. And then this is your typical keyless start entry with your turn dial knob. This switches you from either cat controls to case controls with the flip of a switch. And this is your Bobcat switch. Throttle, turn it up and down. Okay, so down there you just have foot rests and a foot pedal throttle. Side windows, just the top rolls back. I don't know why they still do that. So that is it. This is your S850 skid steer loader. It's the largest skid steer that they've ever made. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.